Hey, hurry on over to Harbor Freight. Last day to make that savings weekend even better for you. They have that 30% off different items. Inside Track Club under 20, everybody under 10. This goes through today only, so it ends on the 28th. And if you act now, I think the best buy is on these US Generals. You can get them for $13.99. They come in up to 6 colors, as you can see here. Very good product, very useful, a lot of uses. Another one of my favorites is this 4-volt Bauer screwdriver. Excellent buy. You can get it for $13.99 if you're an ITC member. But everybody can stop by and at least get this cap for $3.49. That is so hard to beat. Check out how good it looks on my caricature. Let me know in the comments what you use your coupon for. Hurry, like and subscribe.